Hi, hello everyone. This is Bala Sundaramurthy. Today we are discussing about how to we are going to invest, how to we are investment money we are going to grow more. That is first things. So generally we are investing money for diversifying method. Our money we are investing in various places. That is very important. If you invested in one place, if it is fail, your total capital amount will be go total loss. It is we are affecting more, so that we are try to invest in more place. This is avoid our capital total loss. Okay. So for example, I will give some clarifying examples for you. You will easily identify this kind. Okay. First of all, if you have for example, if you have 1 crore means you have to invest for 10 lakh. First, you have to invest 10 lakh in to buy agricultural land and lease to some others and get some money. This is first steps. You have to do these things. And second things, you have to buy some empty land. So you have to buy some empty land, house constructions land, empty land you have to buy. Second things. And third things, you have to buy nearest to town, some other town in buy some house, constructed house, and rent to give some others and get money. It will give some more money. And the fourth step, you have to buy some gold and keep in a bank lockers. Fourth step. And fifth step, you have to buy some gold and keep in on your house. This is very important. And sixth steps, you have to maintain some sufficient balance in your savings accounts. And seven things, you have to maintain some amount on your cash, on your house. Okay. And eighth things, you have to invest in share market. Like it will be invest in two things, like mutual funds or some share demand account. Directly you are to going to invest in some company shares. You have to buy some shares. And 10th things, last one is you have to lending some amount to your friends, your known persons, your relatives with the proper agreement documents. And one more things, I will give someone extra 11th thing, one extra one I will give you to you. If you have money, some people have skill, but they don't have money. You have to pick that kind of friends, and together you have to join to start a new company with the 50-50 shares, with the proper documents. You have to start one business. So I given for 11 steps, right? So you have to choose for 10. Like I'm giving some for example types for to you. You have to choose like your this kind of methods. You have to invest more, and don't put your total amount to one particular place only. Like for example, totally don't put your gold, or don't buy share market only, or don't real estate only, don't keep RD, FD only, like this. You have to diversify your capital amount. For money growing method, first, we never lose our money. This is very, very important things. Don't lose our capital amount. This is the first rule. In fact, Warren Buffett also told the one thing. He is following two rules. First one is, we never lost our capital. Second one is, first rule, we never forget. So that I am also telling to you, we are growing money. It is very easy. Like this, we are investing this kind of method. So we have to follow diversifying method. This is easy and growing more money. You have to putting your money to compound. It will be grow more. It will take some time, but it will happen. Thank you.